people, welcome to ICO reviews, and it's time to review Kryptoin. I'm going to play you an explainer video that talks about Kryptoin and what is it all about. But please, before I continue, I am not a financial advisor. I'm doing this review out of my own personal opinion. Anything I say here is just my personal opinion. Please do your due diligence and make your own decision. Now let's watch the video.
With nearly the first ETF launched in 1990 on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Today, the global ETF industry has 7,366 ETFs with nearly $5 trillion in assets from 373 providers on 70 different exchanges. Since 2004, ETFs have had asset growth of an average of 18.9% yearly and have experienced 10 years of consecutive gains. They are widely considered to be the greatest financial invention ever and are projected to have over $8.9 trillion in assets by 2020. Cryptocurrencies are considered to be the next generation of securitized assets, but there is no mechanism to exchange trade them, not on any stock exchange or any crypto exchange. That is, until now. Introducing Kryptoin, the ETF platform that will open the gateway to the future of digital asset management and crypto ETFs. Our patent-pending technology allows ETF tokens to be assembled to track any basket, any index, and any crypto sector, opening the door for asset managers and retail investors to gain exposure to exotic markets and to diversify risk. ETFs are always asset-backed, are cost-efficient, and transparent. 2017 saw $476 billion of inflows in ETFs globally, exceeding the entire crypto market capitalization. Don't miss out on the only cryptocurrency ETF system backed by the industry. Kryptoin ETF Systems. Join our token sale.
Thank you for watching that video. Let's go to their website. Join us and part of the first Krypton ETF, 29 days, 17 hours. So let's go down, check it, and they'll explain the demo videos here. You can see, and I encourage you to click them and watch the video. Now, the September 1, 2018 is the ICO. KRP is the name of the token. It says it's a token that will be sold to fund the Krypton blockchain 10 ETF on the platform. Now, total amount is going to be minted 1,798,043. Total that will be sold is 1,078,000. So 60% of the total supply. So the circulating supply of Krypton is 1.7 million. The number is very low, very low. And if this cryptocurrency can gain a lot of hype, that would be good. And remember, the lower the circulating supply or the total supply, then the higher the price go. What they will use it for is an Ethereum based token. These are they going to distribute it. Let's see, you can sign up and join here. So let me just go down up here again and let's see the team. Donny Kim, the CEO, John Tracy, his picture is not here, CFO, Tadekali Ashkar, CIO, Managing Director here. These are the developers and these are the advisors. They have here. Let's check their Telegram. 43,068 members currently. The main ICO has not really started. Obviously, it's going to gain a lot of hype. This is my personal opinion anyway. And they have 4,732 followers. currently. Let's see their laser ranking. Let's see where people are coming from. More visitors from Philippines. Checking the website, and Ukraine second. So I mean, this is what I'm going to review about this so far, to let you know about Kryptoin Ico, and it is left for you to make your decision. So I will leave the link down below, and you can sign up for the ICO. You still have enough of time to prepare, and if you check here on the ICO bench, pre-ICO is 30 days left. The pre-ICO is still on, and the ICO is still on. So you can sign up. You need a KYC for it, to send a document over to be able to join the ICO. So I'll just drop the link down below, and you can sign up for it. Thank you for watching my reviews about this. Thank you for watching my channel, and please, before you go, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to bring more videos for you. Thank you a million times, and until next time I come your way, this is ICO reviews.